Hello everyone, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Haq Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video I am going to explain about heterocyclic compounds. So, outline of today talk: classification and nomenclature of heterocyclic connections, 3 and 4 member heterocyclic compounds with one heteroatom, oxidine and oxetane, azididine and agetidine. 5 member heterocyclic connections with one heteroatom, method of extractions, physical properties of uran pyrrole and thiophene, chemical properties of uran pyrrole and thiophene. So friend, let's start with the heterocyclic compounds, classifications and nomenclature of heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds are cyclic compounds. The name itself suggests it is cyclic, with one or more ring atoms that are not carbon, that are heteroatoms. Although heterocyclic are known that incorporate many different elements into cyclic structure. You know that, for example, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur and other. We shall consider only some of more common system in which the heteroatom is nitrogen and oxygen or sulfur. Heterocycles are conveniently grouped into two classes, non-aromatic and aromatic. So friends, the non-aromatic compounds have physical and chemical properties that are typical of the particular heteroatom. Thus tetrahydrofuran and 1,4-dioxane are typical ethers, whereas 1,3,5-trioxane behave as an acetal. You see, this one is tetrahydrofuran, this one is 1,4-dioxane, this one is 1,3,5-trioxane. Pyrrolidine and piperidine are typical secondary amine, and the bicyclic compound quinacridine is a quaternary amine. You see, pyrrolidine secondary amine, piperidine secondary amine, quinacridine tertiary. Nitrogen at this, and it is surrounded by 3 carbon. It is surrounded by 2 carbon. Now pyridine and pyrrole, aromatic one. Since the chemistry of these compounds parallel the chemistry of cyclic relatives, we shall. So friends, since the chemistry of these compounds parallels the chemistry of acyclic relatives, we shall treat them here only briefly. The aromatic heterocycles include such compounds as pyridine. We know that where nitrogen replaces one of the CH group in benzene, and pyrrole, in which the aromatic sextate is supplied by the 4 electrons of the 2 double bonds and lone pair on nitrogens. So look at molecules. Other aromatic heterocycles containing more than one heteroatoms, and still other contains fused aromatic ring. Examples which we will treat in more details later includes. So friend, you see here, this is substituents of benzene. You just remove the CH of benzene, you will get the pyridine. You just remove the CH, then it becomes the pyrrole. So other aromatic heterocycle is oxazole, indole, purine, 1-aza bicyclo 2,2,1 heptane. Here 1-oxa bicyclo 2,2,0 hexane. You know this type of nomenclature. This is the 2, this is the 2, this is the 1. This is the 2, this is the 2, this is the 0. The nomenclature of this heterocycle series is a vast sea of a special name for individual ring system and trivial name for the individual compounds. In the course of the developing the chemistry of some important group of compounds, we will treat the associated nomenclature. There is only one naming scheme common to all of these compounds, that is unfortunately used only in cases where alternative nomenclature based on a special name is acquired. This scheme is based on the corresponding hydrocarbons. The compound formed by the replacing a carbon by a heteroatom is named by an appropriate prefix, Aza for nitrogen, Oxa for oxygen, Thia for sulfur. So saturated monocyclic ring are named according to ring size as 3, ethane, 4, ethane, 5, olane and 6, ane. Even this system does not apply to nitrogen containing ring and find only limited use in common practice. You see 1,3 dithiene ane 6 member ring, oxolane 5 member ring ane, purely used, rarely used oxo 1,3 dioxolane, commonly used. The commonly used name for the monocyclic ring with a single heteroatom will be discussed in the next video. Non-aromatic heterocycles. Name in common use of some fully saturated heterocycles containing only one heteroatom are shown here. Oxirane, thiene, azididine. You see, oxygen, sulfur, and nitrogen. ane, ane, IE. Nitrogen have different. Thiene, azididine, oxirane, ethane, ethane, iridine, oxetane, thietane, azitidine. You see, oxetane, thietane, azitidine, azitidine. You see, this is tetrahydrofuran, tetrahydrothiophene, pyrrolidine, tetrahydropyrene, tetrahydrothiophene, and piperidine. So oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen. 3 and 4 member heterocycle compound with one heteroatom. The common 3 member heterocycles are ethylene oxide. You see, this is ethylene oxide. We are saying oxirane, ethylene imine, azididine, ethylene imine, azididine, and ethylene sulfide, thiene. And 4 member ring heterocycles are rarely, mainly because of the greater difficulty of preparing 4 member ring. Oxetane, azitidine, thietane. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.